have you ever thought about why World War I started?
Yeah, it's such a complicated story.
It all kicked off with the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand in 1914, a pivotal moment in history that changed everything.
That event was like the spark in a powder keg, igniting a chain reaction that led to World War I.
Exactly. The world was never the same after that. Austria-Hungary blamed Serbia, where the assassin was from, igniting a chain reaction of accusations and tensions.
And because of all the complex alliances, one country after another got involved, escalating the conflict rapidly.
Right, it was a domino effect. Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia, and Russia immediately came to Serbia's aid, escalating the conflict.
Then Germany backed Austria-Hungary, while France and Britain quickly supported Russia, leading to a full-scale war.
Plus, nationalism and militarism were already fueling tensions.
Everyone was ready to prove their power, and the arms race didn't help.
It was a domino effect. One conflict spiraled into a global war.
A reminder of how quickly things can escalate.
And that's how World War I began.
History's wild like that.